Good morning, student. Today we will discuss very important chapter of class 10th, that is coordinate geometry. It is a last chapter of half yearly syllabus. That's name is coordinate geometry. My dear student, before starting this chapter, we will discuss about basic of coordinate geometry. Now, first you will try to observe these words. It is coordinate and it is geometry. So first we will discuss about coordinate. There was a mathematician that name was René Descartes. René Descartes was a mathematician. He was sitting on the bed and he observed many things like blackboard, like chair, desk, and many paintings on the wall. But he observed why they are placed at that place. So he defined that we use coordinate geometry to locate a position of any object. Like, so what is coordinate geometry? So it is a branch of geometry in which we will study about the location of point. To describe location of point, we will take some basic things, that is, we will try to understand by a Cartesian plane. Suppose it is a blackboard is a plane. Now I will divide the plane into by two lines. This line is called vertical line and this line is called horizontal line. Horizontal line is called axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Now horizontal line is called x-axis, it is vertical line is called y-axis. Now this plane is divided by two lines into four quadrants. This quadrant is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now why we are using quadrant? We are using quadrant to locate the position of object. Now suppose I want to locate here any object that is represented by a order pair. To represent a point, we need a order pair. Order pair consists of x, y coordinate. X, y coordinate. Look at x coordinate. Any point which I will represent on x axis, that is called x coordinate, and y coordinate, that is on a y axis. Where two lines will be intersect, that point is called O. O means origin. Now, right hand side of the origin we will take positive values, positive integers. Here we will take negative integers, positive integers, and on the upper side, on the height of origin, we always take positive integer of y axis, and here we take negative integers. Now, how to explain axis? Any point which we go further from the origin. अगर हम origin से आगे की तरफ जाते हैं, that point is called point on x-axis. That point is also called abscissa. And which point we takes on height पे count करते हैं, that is called point on y-axis, that is called ordinates. Now, my dear students, suppose I want to locate any point -2, 3. Look at it is a order pair. Order pair always consists by x and y coordinate. So first point always we have to count as a x. So see, observe x -2. So here -1, -2. Now we have to go in height. 4c y is 1, positive 2, 3. So where both will be joined, -2 will go here and 3 will come from here. This point is called -2, 3. It is called location of point A. Suppose it is a point A that is represented by a order pair, that is called -2, 3. Like this we can draw any point on the Cartesian plane. Here first quadrant, that represented by positive signs, x positive, y positive. Here always minus plus means x will be negative, y will be positive. Here minus both negative, and here positive and negative. Now my dear students, we will take next topic, that is very important for the class 10th, that is distance formula. Now look at, we will discuss about distance formula. See, first topic of the 10th class, that is distance formula. Now let's try to understand distance formula. Suppose it is a Cartesian plane. I have taken here point 0, A point here and B point here, and this distance origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to find distance AB. So that easily we can find. Look at distance AB. The distance AB is, this distance is called AB. That is, look at here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can find this is a distance 4, total distance 4. Then we will subtract this, 4 minus 1, 3 unit. 3 unit is the distance AB. But how to find when we have to given point A here, point B here, like point A coordinate x1, y1, point B coordinate x2, y2. How to find this distance? So suppose we will join this line. Now look at x1, y1, x2, y2. So we cannot find this distance by easy way. So then we will take any point here C and join this point by this. Now look at it, it look like a right angle triangle. Now see, x1 point here, x coordinate, y x2 here. What will be distance? This will be x2 minus x1, and this distance, look at y1 height here and y2 height will be there. This distance we will subtract this from y2. This distance is y2 minus y1. Now look at it is a right angle triangle ABC. Then by Pythagoras theorem we can find distance AB. That will be AB का square means hypotenuse का square equal to base का square. Hypotenuse AB का square equal to base AC का square plus BC का square. Now I have to find distance AB means length AB. That means square goes to under root AC. That is distance x2 minus x1 का square plus here the square plus BC. That is y2 minus y1 का square, and square goes to under root. So this is called distance formula. By this formula we can find any distance. Okay, next topic we will discuss in the next class. That's it.